Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right equipment. In this video, I will explain how to use a jump rope properly. First, let's size your rope. Stand on the middle of the rope with one foot. The handles should reach your armpits or the top of your chest. If they go higher, the rope is too long. If lower, it's too short. This ensures a smooth, efficient rotation and prevents tripping, setting you up for success right from the start. Now, let's talk about your stance and grip. Stand tall with your shoulders back and a slight bend in your knees, ready to spring. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your sides, almost touching your body. The power comes from your wrists, not your arms. Hold the handles lightly, using your thumbs on top to guide the rope's rotation. This minimizes effort and maximizes control. Time to jump. For the basic bounce, keep your jumps small, just 1 or 2 inches off the ground. The rope should clear your head and feet with minimal effort. Focus on rotating the rope with your wrists, making small, circular movements. Land softly on the balls of your feet, absorbing the impact. Aim for a consistent, steady rhythm, breathing naturally. Practice this foundational jump to build endurance and coordination. To perfect your technique, avoid common pitfalls. Don't jump excessively high. Small hops are more efficient. Resist the urge to swing your whole arms. Remember, it's all in the wrists. Keep your gaze forward, not down at your feet to maintain balance. Start with short sessions, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase your time. Consistency is key to mastering the jump rope and enjoying its many benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.